friends, this is Neelaksh and you are most welcome to my brand new video. Today in this video, we are going to learn some alternate ways to say very in spoken English. So let's begin. First is very hot. Instead of saying very hot, you can say blistering. For instance, it is blistering hot today. It is blistering hot today. Next one is very cold. Instead of saying very cold, you can utter Arctic. For example, it is Arctic today. It is Arctic today. Next one is very happy. The other way of saying very happy is ecstatic. For example, she is ecstatic about her new bicycle. She is ecstatic about her new bicycle. Next one is very big. Other way of saying very big is massive. For example, the fort in Agra is massive. The fort in Agra is massive. Next one is very scared. Instead of saying very scared, you can say petrified. For instance, she is petrified of lizards. She is petrified of lizards. That's for today. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe my channel.